Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Happy Sunday. Each morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. God bless you. May you never know disappointment, sadness, grief, and trouble. Be happy. Sometimes you have to get out, recharge, refocus. Always find time for the things that make you feel happy to be alive. The best days are for memories, and the worst days are for lessons. Hope day will be a good day. May God keeps you safe and make your day blissful. Wishing you a day full of sunny smiles and happy thoughts. Happy Sunday. A new day means a new life, new hope. Be positive and enjoy your day. May this weekend be full of blessings and happiness. Wishing you a lovely Sunday, handsome. Wishing you a blessed, happy and successful week ahead. Forget about the hectic week and start a new happy Sunday to you. The goal of Sunday is to leave my home as little as possible. If you liked my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.